Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Miles on Bike. So you might be wondering what I'm doing here in this lonely place. Actually, I wanted to tell you guys that what are the basic necessary accessories you require for your Himalayan. So today in this video I'll be showing you those things. So first of all, when we talk about the bike, safety is the main concern. So for safety purpose, I have installed the headlamp grill and the radiator guard and the side stand heel. Also the rear brake fluid guard, and last but not least the master cylinder guard. So all this are from SRC brand. So this costed me 2,300 rupees, which is worth is what I felt. And next, this is the tank bag which I have been using from many years, from almost 5-6 years. This is the God's Xeon R1 tank bag. So this consists of 14 liters. So you have one pocket here, and you have a pocket here. So you have multiple pockets as well inside here, here too, and here too, and here as well. And also on the end you get one more additional pocket, and this one actually for holding the mobile phones. So this bag actually costed me 1,500 rupees when I purchased this, and also it comes with the waterproof rain liner as well, and it's very easy to install as well. So they gave you two separate straps, okay, which is also magnetic. If your bike doesn't have magnet tank, no worries, they are given clips where you can directly clip it on for easy usage. The same thing they have also done here. So what I have done is I usually used to do the same thing for my older bikes. The same thing what I did is I just put on the strap from inside the seat, and I have just plugged it in, and it also comes with magnet as well. So you have two strips here, one here and the other one over there, which I showed you. So both you need to just click it and forget it, and also you get two back strip as well, where you can use it as a bag as well. So those are the advantage which you get with this Xeon R1 tank bag. So after tank bag, the next important thing what every rider usually wants is a mobile phone holder. In case you don't have a tank bag, no worries, you can also install this, which I have done. This is a spider type of mobile mount, which also comes with 5 volts charger socket, which you can use it for with any USB cable. And so far till now I have not faced any issue in this. It's still sturdy, and if I keep my mobile also, it fits properly, and it doesn't fall down or nothing has happened so far. So this costed me 600 rupees. And the next big thing is I have installed a Bluetooth speaker with music system, which is waterproof. So this brand is called as Pagaria music system with FM transmitter receiver. So you get antenna over here and the two speakers, and this device comes along with this. So this costed me 3,000 rupees, and it's really loud, and I think I have already done a review about this as well. If you have not, please check. I think it should be on top of the right hand side or left hand side, I don't know, it will be there. You can click that I button so that you will be able to see the complete review about this. So the next thing what I will be showing you guys is the saddle bag. Okay, so this is from the God's brand itself. So this is the Triton X2. This is the bag, and this is the 50-liter bag. Both included 50 liters bag, and it comes with tool. If you want to keep your tools, you have an option here to keep your tools over here, and you have a very hard compound here, so that if you keep any clothes or anything, definitely. And bottom also you have a hard surface only, so it does, if it case fall or anything happens, this doesn't get damaged that easily. And you have multiple pockets over here as well, and you can keep your documents or anything as such. And here also you have small pockets where you can keep any additional things if you want. And mostly water bottle carrier. So this, it's actually very easy to install as well. Just put it on the seat, and you have to just put the straps which they have given, which is also very easy. Just like this, you get 4 to 5 straps. I'll just show you. This one, and here also something like this. In case if you don't want to put strap or anything, you can use it as a bag as well. Even they give handles for it, where you can put it like this, and you can travel anywhere you want. It's so easy and compact as well. And the price for this is 3,500. When I purchased this, I purchased this along with the tank bag. And next is the saddle stay, because without the saddle stay you can't just put the tank saddle bag on top of the bike. So this is the saddle stay which I got it from Royal Enfield itself. So this costed me 2,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees. So this comes with this saddle stay and this. You might wonder what is this actually. This, if you want to put your indicators from here to here, you can definitely shift it. But for me that's not a problem, because I am for behind whoever is coming, they are easily able to see it as I put the indicator. So that's not a problem. In case if somebody feels like that, no, it's necessary, yes, you have option here, and they also give you with extra cables so that you can pull the wire from here and can connect it here. And the next one which I wanted to show you guys is the top box. This is from Case brand. So this actually is original price is 30,000, but I got it for a discount price of 15,000 rupees from Adeshwar Motors, which is in JC Road, right next to Passport Office. So the customer experience, everything was really good over there, and I got it for really good price. This is actually an aluminium top case. I'll just show you inside. So as you can see, I have filled with many things, don't mind. So I have this is a 45 liters capacity. And you get your holders, which is really good, and material and everything. And plus this is a waterproof top box. And one more important thing I forgot to mention. I have installed a GPS tracker on my bike, which is from OneLap. So OneLap actually provides GPS navigation and anti-theft alarm systems for bikes and cars. So I have taken OneLap Plus for my bike, which is inside here. I'll just show you. So guys, and one more important thing which I told you, this is the GPS device which I've installed. This is from OneLap. So I have installed this. So this is actually very useful feature which every biker has to install in their bikes. So I have used it. I have done a separate video on that as well. If you want to check it out, please click on the I button, which is right on top corner. You'll get to see the review about the OneLap GPS navigation as well. And about the top box also, I've done a video. You can check it out from my other videos. So as I was telling you earlier, so this is how the strip what I have done for my bike. It depends on person to person. So I have done here like this, and I have fitted it. So it fits correctly. So guys, all this accessories actually costed me close to 30,000, which is actually not that much. It's very affordable, and yes, people can definitely use this. These are all the necessary items which you require when you're going out for a long drive or anything. And plus, the one which I showed you, all these things are very important. So make sure if you like this video, do hit the like button, also share, and please do subscribe if you have not subscribed. As always, I'll be keep posting new videos going forward, and please check out my other videos as well, so that how many likes you give, that is actually helpful for us to create more content for you people. Okay then, see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.